This is called A Beautiful World.
My, it's a beautiful world. I like swimming in the sea. I like to go out beyond the white breakers, where a man can still be free, or a woman if you are one. I like swimming in the sea. Oh my, it's a beautiful world. I like drinking Irish tea with a little bit of Lapsang Souchong. I like making my own tea. Oh my, it's a beautiful world. Driving in my car, I roll the top down, sometimes I travel quite far. I drive to the ocean, I stare up at the stars. I like driving in my car. All around is ISIS, automatic guns, death in large numbers, no respect for women or our little ones. I tried talking to Jesus, but he put me on hold. He been swamped by calls this week. He could not shake his cold, but still this emptiness persists. Perhaps this is as good as it gets. Giving up the drink and those nasty cigarettes. I leave the party early, I leave with no regrets. I watch the sun as it comes up, and I watch it as it sets. But this is as good as it gets. My, it's a beautiful world. Sleeping with Marie. She is one sexy woman full of mystery. She said she don't love me, but she likes my company. For now, that's good enough for me. Then I put this little verse in right here. My, it's a beautiful world. I like surfing Waikiki. I like to paddle out beyond the white breakers, where a man can still be free, or a woman if you are one. I like surfing Waikiki. My, it's a beautiful world. My, it's a beautiful world. Say, my, it's a beautiful world.